Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your Afterpay card to Apple Wallet. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Afterpay app and click on the card at the bottom. Once you do, it's going to open you a page where it confirms that you can add your Afterpay card to your iPhone Apple Wallet. So click on Apple iPhone and then you will need to follow the instructions on the page. So once you do, it's gonna be added to your Apple Wallet. So this is how you can add it basically. Super easy as long as it is available in your country, because in some countries you are unable to do that, I'm afraid. So if you can see the card option at the bottom, that means that you are able also to add your Afterpay card to Apple Wallet. But if you cannot see that option, I'm afraid you are not able to do that. You can still double check that with Afterpay though. You can contact them and see if there is anything else they can advise. But yeah, as long as it is available on the app, if you can't see that section, you can simply click on it and add it the way that I just have showed you. It's super easy and simple. I hope that was helpful for you.